I have HTC Desire 12 and let me show you how to insert here the microSD and Nano SIM card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, you need to find the slot to your cards. The slot is located right here at the left edge of the device. Let's open this slot by using some thumper tag or special eject tool. Here I have the simple thumper tag and let's just press it right here to open this slot. So let's press it. Now you can remove the whole thing from your device. Let me do it as simple as that. And here you can insert the microSD and Nano SIM cards. So let me use the microSD right here with the characteristic edge right here. Alright, and let's insert the Nano SIM card, for example, in that slot with the characteristic edge right here. Let me leave one slot empty. You can use two Nano SIM cards if you would like to, or you can leave one slot empty. And now let's put the whole thing into your device. Let me do it correctly. And let's just press power key to switch on the device and to make sure that both cards works properly on that device. Alright, the home screen pops up. Now let me check out if my cards works properly. So as you can see here, I have information about my SIM card, so it's a good sign. Let me tap yes to use the cellular data. Now let me choose settings and I can also choose the SIM cards. As you can see, I'm using the first slot, so my card is properly inserted. Let's go back. Now let's scroll down and find and select storage. It's under device tab. Here you can have access to the information that you are using the internal storage and also the portable storage. So our portable storage is our microSD card, so everything went well, both cards works properly. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.